Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. If you have error iPhone verification failed, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just open the settings, just find here general, and in the general you need to find date and time, so just open it, and here you need to check if you choose set automatically here. If not, just choose it, just enable option set automatically, and after just try to restore your phone. So just go back to the general, just open the general, just scroll down, and here you will see shutdown. So just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just go to the general again, and just scroll down to reset, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just submit this option, and if you still have this error, so just go back, go to your internet, to Wi-Fi, and check your internet connection. So you can also try to turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi, and also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, because sometimes it can be caused by your router, and if you're using mobile or cellular data, just turn it off and turn on again. So after, you can also restore your phone again, and I just go back to the general, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.